Hey guys, welcome to the Magnitude. Today I will be unboxing the TAG Heuer Carrera Special Red Bull Racing Edition watch. As most of you probably already know, TAG Heuer is a Swiss watch maker that has been around for a very long time. They started making watches back in 1860 in Saint-Émier in Switzerland. These days TAG Heuer is owned by luxury goods company LVMH. Now recently I came across this beautiful timepiece online at Cronograph and I just had to have it. So when you order a pre-owned watch at Cronograph, what they do is they send the watch in their own cylinder-shaped container.
Whoa!
And then they send the original box alongside with that. The container, they send it in the cylinder-shaped container, they send it in. It's really convenient for when you're on the move, when you're traveling, and you want to store your watch temporarily. And then the original box, it's really nice. It has nice red stitching along the side. It has a plaque that says Red Bull Racing Formula 1 team on it. Well, it has a red and blue velvet interior. Now let's open the cylinder-shaped container. Look at that, that is awesome. As you can see, they wrapped the watch in protective foil. And I'm just looking to see if the watch has any damages from shipping, but it looks okay to me. Now let's take this watch off and then remove all the plastic. It is a bit of a heavy watch, but I like that. That gives you a sense that it is quality on your wrist. Now let's remove this plastic. TAG Heuer actually made two sizes, a 43mm and a slightly bigger 45mm. This is the 45mm version, and it has a mid case that is made from titanium and coated in black titanium carbide. And I gotta tell you, I need that because I break a lot of things. I'm a big fan of skeleton sports watches, and TAG Heuer makes several Carreras where you can see the inner workings through the front and the back. It's not a fully see-through watch like some of the more expensive brands out there, but I like the fact that you can see the metal parts inside and the inner workings, and above all, it is an automatic. So that means there's no need to wind it unless you leave it stationary for more than like a day. The power reserve on this thing is about 50 hours or 40 hours if the chronograph is running. Now I need to adjust the strap as I'm not that fat. This one is a special edition for the Red Bull Formula 1 Grand Prix racing team, which was released in 2017. Now, Formula 1 is pretty popular where I'm originally from, which is Holland. And Max Verstappen is our national hero at the moment, and he has been promoting this watch. I guess they gave him one for free, or in fact, I believe they are forced to wear them as TAG Heuer is one of their sponsors. But I don't think that's a hardship. And it feels really nice on the wrist. There are a few options for straps. This one comes with a nice blue leather strap with white and red stitching, giving it the feeling of a race car seat. I really like that. There's also a black rubber strap or a steel bracelet. I love the details on this thing. As I mentioned before, I bought this watch online at Crown & Caliber. Now this video is not sponsored by Crown & Caliber in any way, but I do like that they have good deals. And as many watch connoisseurs tell me, you should never buy a watch full price. And if you're interested in retaining the value of your watch, it is important to buy it at the right price. That is the reference to the Formula One. Now, there are 3 sub-dials, a 12-hour chronograph at your 6 o'clock, there's a small seconds dial at your 9 o'clock, and a 30-minute register at the top. That one actually is labeled drive timer, and I think that makes it special. Now, let me put it back in the original box. Since I just promoted Crown & Caliber for free, I also want to give my shout out to essentialwatches.com. Seth is a great guy, and he has a lot of great deals, probably even better than Crown & Caliber, so be sure to check them out. Again, I'm not sponsored by these people in any way, but I love what they do, and I will add a link in the description. Well, there it is, a nice addition to my watch collection. Alrighty, that concludes my video on the TAG Heuer Red Bull Racing Edition. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Alright guys, have a great day. See you guys later.